जैसे हम लोगों का ज्यादातर फियर ही होता है कि मुझे सक्सेसफुल बनना है, मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, मैं बहुत मेहनत करता हूँ, मुझे उसका फल नहीं प्राप्त होता है, आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट विद ऑल माई रिलेशनशिप्स, माई गर्लफ्रेंड्स आर नॉट हैप्पी. इट कुड बी एनी लाइफ सिचुएशन.
Whatever work I do here today, it's all planned for you. So even a little bit of hypnosis I have planned for you today. कभी हम किसी presentation में करते नहीं हैं. It's the first time, and what I have written also is also for all of you. So everyone is very special here, and thank you for even inviting me into this space of warmth and love. And so let's start with a gratitude.
सोमवार की सुबह में एक बार फिर दोस्तों आप सभी का स्वागत है. मेरा नाम है मोहित नारंग और ये है रेसिप्रोसिटी मंडे मॉर्निंग. आज मेरे साथ एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट है. इनका नाम है डॉक्टर शिवानी. शिवानी, वेलकम टू रेसिप्रोसिटी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एंड I'll start by welcoming you with a big gratitude that we have from your class today. And before we get into our interactive round for my viewers, I'll let you introduce quickly to everyone what you do.
So I'm Dr. Shivani Ketan. I'm a clinical hypnotherapist and I help people to understand the limiting beliefs that they are believing in and how we can rewire that in the brain. Yes.
तो बहुत सी बार दोस्तों ऐसा होता है कि हम अपने थॉट्स के अंदर एक सबकॉन्शियस मेमोरी में, जैसे आज शिवानी ने बताया कि 95% सबकॉन्शियस मेमोरी जो है वो हमसे बात कर रही होती है और हम 5% ही बहुत कॉन्शियसली कुछ डिसीजन ले पाते हैं. और उसका इम्पैक्ट दोस्तों हमारे पे ये होता है कि बहुत सी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो हम अपने आप को ही बांध लेते हैं, हम अपने आप को लिमिट कर लेते हैं. क्या कहना है शिवानी आपका इस बारे में?
So I would say yes, जो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड है वो हमारा फीलिंग माइंड है. तो हम जैसा उसको बोलेंगे माइंड आपको वैसा ही करेगा और बॉडी आपकी वैसे फॉलो करेगी. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि मैं अपने ब्रेन को क्या फीड कर रहा हूँ. व्हाट एम आई फीडिंग माई ब्रेन ऑल द टाइम. सो द नेगेटिव टॉक और द सेल्फ नेगेटिव टॉक और द पॉजिटिव टॉक.
जैसे हम लोगों का ज्यादातर फियर ही होता है कि मुझे सक्सेसफुल बनना है, मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, मैं बहुत मेहनत करता हूँ, मुझे उसका फल नहीं प्राप्त होता है, आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट विद ऑल माई रिलेशनशिप्स, माई गर्लफ्रेंड्स आर नॉट हैप्पी. इट कुड बी एनी लाइफ सिचुएशन.
It can be anything.
And we feed ourselves guys with a lot of negative thoughts all the time. Shivani, how can you be of help into that? Do you have any workshops or classes that our viewers can attend?
Yes, so we have one-to-one work that we do, and definitely we do workshops also. But for clinical hypnotherapy, where we have to work on एक स्पेसिफिक प्रॉब्लम है आपकी या एक बिहेवियर है जो आप चेंज नहीं कर पा रहे हैं या एक पैटर्न है जो हम चेंज नहीं कर पा रहे.
Correct.
मैं उठना चाहता हूँ लेकिन मैं नहीं उठ पा रहा हूँ.
मैं जिम ही नहीं जा पा रहा.
मैं नहीं जा पा रहा हूँ. Right?
I don't know why.
मतलब a signal comes in, something triggers, you know,
Yeah.
and then you are not able to do what you want to do. So उस जगह पे हम जैसे लोग काम आते हैं. So expressive art we help behavior को change करते हैं. पैटर्न क्या है? Through expressive art we are also able to tab onto something which is called non-verbal situations. So I will give you a situation where you will be having some crayons, some sketch pens, and I will give you a thing to understand about yourself, and you will be surprised after that कि मैं ये सोच रहा था, ये तो मेरे को पता ही नहीं था. So non-verbal जगहों पे expressive art काम करता है.
So basically you're actually talking to my subconscious mind.
Correct. And you yourself are talking to it.
Yeah.
I am not feeding any words to you. मैं आपसे कुछ भी बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. मैं आपसे काम करवा रही हूँ. Of course you will talk to me कि मेरे को ये situation है. उसके बाद हम आपके लिए session create करते हैं. So when it is one-to-one work, like behavioral change,
right,
तब आपको one-to-one काम करना है. Otherwise we do Heal Your Life workshops. I'm a certified international workshop leader for Heal Your Life workshops of 2 days. जहाँ पे कि forgiveness, pattern, बहुत सी चीज़ें जो लुइस हे ने हील योर लाइफ की जो बुक है उनकी यू कैन हील योर लाइफ, वो उसके लिए उन्होंने 2 दिन की वर्कशॉप्स है. आधा काम हम वहाँ भी करवाते हैं, तो वो ग्रुप वर्क है.
गाइज बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से शिवानी ने आज एक लाइव हिप्नोसिस थेरेपी हमें करवाई. थैंक यू शिवानी, इट वाज अ वंडरफुल वन. फॉर अ मोमेंट आई टेक अ ब्रेक इन दिस वीडियो और आपको लेके चलते हैं कि शिवानी ने हिप्नोसिस थेरेपी में क्या करवाया.
Take a deep breath and slowly release what is not falling in for yourself. Take a deep breath again and release. Now slowly you can close your eyes and drop your chin. Picture yourself standing in front of a door. This door represents the gateway to your future, where your rewired beliefs have been taken out, and they are the root for your beliefs. When you feel ready, reach out and open the door, step through it, and find yourself in a beautiful, serene place. Approach this child with kindness and love. Kneel down to their level and look into their eyes. As you reach the other side, bring your attention back to the future version of yourself, living your best life. So whatever belief that you have created today, see the joy and fulfillment on your face that you are living that. And when you're ready, come back to this space. You can take your time to open your eyes. And you can slowly open your eyes with a big smile.
सो गाइस, देखा आपने कि कैसे ही चंद मिनटों में आप एक अलग ही कॉस्मोस में पहुंच गए. शिवानी, इट वाज ब्रिलियंट.
Thank you so much.
You know, I felt very overwhelmed. You took me from my childhood to what I want to be, to my future. Just explain all of that again for my viewers.
So simply आप देखिए कि जो भी हमारी beliefs होते हैं, beliefs क्या है? बार-बार लगातार मैं किसी चीज़ को बोलता जा रहा हूँ. So from 0 to 6 या 7 की एज तक वो मेरे belief system बन जाते हैं. Now, some beliefs are coming from this age. Some beliefs are coming from generation to generation. That's what we talked about.
Yes.
So जो generation से generation आ रहे हैं, like मेरे experiences with, let's say, my relationship is not good. My mother had a bad relationship with my father, so I don't know whether I will have a good relationship with my spouse or another person.
It's a blueprint that is carrying forward.
I have my parents have not got good money, so मुझे भी नहीं मिलेगा. So generation से I'm not good enough. Yeah, I'm not worth it. Like a lot of people can spend it for their children, but they cannot spend it for themselves. तो वो भी एक generation से आ रहा है ना कि अच्छा अपने आप को हम लोग sacrifice करेंगे, अपने बच्चों के लिए करेंगे.
Right.
And you will see today that I am earning very well. I have the money, but why am I not able to enjoy it? So that's a generational belief that you are carrying.
Okay.
So most of it today, that the work that we did, हमने inner child के ऊपर काम किया. तो जब आपको डर लगता है तो आप डर नहीं रहे. It's your inner child which is getting scared.
वो मेरा जो 7 साल की उम्र का बच्चा है जिसने वो बिलीफ सिस्टम फॉर्म कर लिया है,
Correct.
उसको जगाया हमने आज.
Right. हमने जो हमने आज गाइडेड मेडिटेशन करी, हमने वो जो डोर ओपन किया, we met our inner child of 7 years.
और कहीं ना कहीं शिवानी, मुझे ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस आपने बोला वो डोर ओपन होगा और मैंने वो दरवाजा खोला ही नहीं. What does that mean?
That means I am too scared to even see something new. So the brain is saying पता नहीं क्या निकलेगा, let it be. So brain वो चीज करना चाहता है जहाँ comfort हो, जहाँ पे pleasure हो, जहाँ joy हो, pain नहीं चाहते. So not opening is also a sign where it feels okay. Let it be. I don't want to go into that situation. That means I'm not open for that change. I want to change when I want to change. Change at any point is very good. Starting में लगता है change is not good, but change is good for you. Like if you remember, I made you all get up, and I said
change the location.
Change the location. That movement से energy change होती है. जितना move करते हैं, उतनी energy change होती है. That's the only thing I could have done in that scenario.
Yeah, of course.
But I'm sure people who got up and they changed. They did say कि yes, the energy changed.
The total frequency changed.
Correct.
Right.
So what am I carrying the energy that I am not able to open?
मुझे ऐसी भी फीलिंग आई कि जब कोई और व्यक्ति मेरे साथ आके बैठा तो भी फ्रीक्वेंसी बदल गई. How I was feeling, and then with the presence of another energy, it totally changes you also at the same time.
Like that's what I said. People who did not get up, I could only encourage you.
Yeah.
है ना? if someone came and sat with you, the energy changed because कोई अंदर आता है room में, suddenly your eyes light up. You want to speak to that person. Who's this person?
Right.
And sometimes some people enter, you don't like them. But it's not that you don't like them, it's the energy they are carrying. They might be carrying any energy. Now the point here is the same person, when he came into the room, you did not like the energy. But when he sat next to you and he smiled at you and he said, "Oh, I'm really liking this watch that you're wearing is nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
What are these beads? Interesting beads."
Right.
Suddenly your
Elevate.
energy. Oh
Yeah.
yes, because he said something which elevated you.
Yeah.
Whereas when you saw him, maybe with some energy that you did not like. So definitely when you
Correct.
say someone coming down, sitting with you, energy changes. Yes.
So दोस्तों, self awareness is very important. Diving deep into your own feelings and thought and coming out of your fear is very very important to the path of success. और इसी के साथ मैं शिवानी को धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा आज सुबह हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए.
Thank you.
And guys, I'm going to leave all the links to Shivani's social media handles so that you can get in touch with Shivani directly. And Shivani, tell us something about your new book, by the
Yes,
way,
so-
before we leave.
So like you said, self-awareness.
Right.
Self-awareness अगर हो जाती है तो हम बहुत सी चीज़ों पे change कर सकते हैं. So my new book was it came in February in the BIMTech Business Festival. So I got one copy for you.
Oh, how nice.
And the book has a lot of reflective exercises for 3 minutes. And
Okay.
all you require to change is 21 seconds. It's not 21 days.
Wow.
The brain can start collaborating. You have to collaborate your brain to what you want.
Is this available online to order?
It is Amazon, yes.
Guys, don't forget to order Shivani's book on Amazon. This is Clinical Hypnotherapy by Shivani.
Yes.
So
So the
thank
book
you.
is all about self-awareness.
Yes, so it's about enhancing your leadership skills through deeper self-awareness. Shivani, thank you so much.
Thank
I'm
you.
grateful.
And thank
A lot
you
of
for having me here.
gratitude from all of us at Reciprocity,
Thank you.
and we shall hope to see you soon.
Yes,
Thank you.
you.